Hi friends, these are the directions for Monday, April 20th. When you open Google Classroom, you have two assignments. Your first is to complete your question of the week. I want you to type where it says class comment so that way everybody can see your comment. Do not worry about typing over here. I can mark you as turned in. For Monday's assignment, you need to watch this video and then complete the things below. We need to do the Little Hummingbird Edpuzzle. You'll click right here. The Little Hummingbird Problem and Responses assignment, which shows up over here. 15 minutes of Literacy Centers and 15 minutes of Math Centers. Lesson 3, Caring for Caterpillars Edpuzzle, and your Week 2 End of the Day Check-in. Let's go over what these assignments look like. When you click on your Edpuzzle assignment, it will take you right here. There is not a button to turn it in, but I will know that you are completed once you are done. You need to watch the video the entire way through. After you watch that Edpuzzle, then you will come and complete the Little Hummingbird Problem and Responses. Everywhere that you see one of these symbols, you click it so you can hear the directions. The Edpuzzle for Science looks like this. You have a couple questions down here. And then something that we have new this week is our end of day check-in. When you click on the form, it will ask you for your name, how you're feeling, what you did for centers, literacy and math, if there's anything you need help with, and if there's anything you want to share with me. This is kind of taking the place of our morning meeting when we normally share those things. Instead, you will share it in this form and click submit. When you click submit, I will be able to see it. You will do one of these every day. All right, second graders, looking forward to your great work today.